Next I add here slicer. First slightly move left, then resize. Next I add here slicer. Click on any chart, then click on insert slicer. Select this field and this field. Click OK. Resize. Then type 3 columns. Drag and drop at this position. Similarly, type 3 columns, resize, drag and drop at this position. Type 3 columns, drag and drop at this position. Then I change the slicer color. Select this color. After that, I add here icons. Click on Insert tab, then click on Icons, then scroll down. Select this icon. Drag and drop this icon at this position. Change the shape color, this color. Next I add here another text box. Inside this text box, I type filters. Again select all. Increase the text size up to 16. So this dashboard is completed. Next I connect these slicers to all pivot tables. Select all, click OK. After that, resize this slicer. Press Ctrl key. I align these 3 slicers. Click on Align command. Distribute horizontally and then distribute vertically. Then align top and then align middle. So now these 3 slicers are in same direction.